This is Max and Mia podcast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Max and Mia podcast.
Hi there! Today's episode is all about daily life conversations in English.
We're going to share short dialogues you can hear or use in real life, at home, at work, outside, or with friends.
These are perfect if your level is A1 to B1. So relax, listen, and repeat with us.
Ready? Let's go with the first conversation.
Conversation number 1. At the bus stop.
Hi, do you know what time the next bus comes?
Hey, good morning. Well, I think it's at 8:30, but it's usually late.
Oh no, I hope it's on time today. I have a meeting at 9.
Yeah, Mondays are the worst for traffic. How often do you take the bus?
Almost every day. It's easier than driving.
That's true. I take it too, but sometimes I walk if the weather's nice.
Good idea. The weather looks nice today, sunny and warm.
Yes, it's a perfect day for a walk, but the bus is faster.
By the way, do all buses stop here?
No, only the 22 and the 35. Which bus do you usually take?
I take the 22. It goes downtown. How about you?
I take the 22 too. I work near the library.
Oh, cool. I work at a cafe on 5th Street. It's only my second week.
Nice. Do you like working there?
Yes, it's busy, but the people are friendly. What about you? What do you do?
Well, I'm a student. I study at the university. Classes start at 9:30, so this bus is perfect.
That's great. Are you from here?
No, I'm from another city. Actually, I moved here last year.
Welcome. I hope you like it here.
Thanks. So far, I do. Oh, look, the bus is coming.
Oh, finally. Let's hope there are seats left.
Fingers crossed.
Conversation number 2. At the coffee shop.
Hi, Anna. It's good to see you. How are you today?
Hi, Sophie. I'm good, thanks. A little tired, to be honest, but happy. And you?
I'm great, thanks. I need a coffee to start my day. What about you?
Me too. I can't work without coffee. Do you know what you want to order?
Not yet. Can you help me? What do you recommend?
Sure. The cappuccino here is really good. Also, their blueberry muffins are delicious.
Oh, that sounds great. I'll try the cappuccino and maybe a muffin.
Good choice. I'll have a latte and a croissant.
Perfect. Excuse me. Can I order now?
Of course. What would you like?
I'll have a cappuccino and a blueberry muffin, please.
And I'll have a latte and a croissant.
Great. That will be $8.50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready soon.
Thanks. So tell me, Sophie, how is work going?
Well, it's busy, but I like it. We have a new project, so lots of meetings.
That sounds interesting. And well, I'm still looking for a job.
Oh, don't worry. You'll find something soon. Are you taking any classes?
Yes. I'm studying English at night. It helps a lot.
That's great. Your English is already very good.
Thanks. I practice every day.
Here are your drinks and snacks. Enjoy.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Conversation number 3. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, hi. Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. How can I help you?
Great. I'm looking for the train station. Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure, it's not far from here. Are you walking?
Yes, I'm walking. I don't have internet, so I can't check the map.
No problem. Go straight down this street for about 2 blocks.
Okay, straight for 2 blocks.
Then you'll see a big supermarket on the left.
Got it.
Right after the supermarket, turn right. That street leads to the station.
Okay. Turn right after the supermarket. What's the name of the street?
I think it's Central Avenue. You'll also see a sign that says train station.
Perfect. About how long does it take to walk there?
Maybe 8 to 10 minutes. Very easy.
Oh, thank you so much. I was a bit lost.
No worries. Are you traveling somewhere?
Yes, I'm going to Brighton to visit a friend. It's my first time in the city.
Oh, nice. Brighton is beautiful. I hope you enjoy it.
Thanks, and thank you again for the directions.
You're welcome. Just remember, straight for 2 blocks, supermarket on the left, then turn right.
I'll remember that. Is the station open all day?
Yes, I think so. But you should get there before 9 p.m., just in case.
Good to know. One last question. Is there a cafe near the station?
Yes, there's a small coffee shop just next to the entrance. Good coffee, not expensive.
Perfect. I'll stop there before my train. You've been really helpful.
Happy to help. Have a safe trip.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
Conversation number 4. At the grocery store.
Excuse me. Hi. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find olive oil, but I can't see it anywhere.
No problem. Olive oil is in aisle 5, next to the vinegar and cooking oils.
Thank you. And do you also have almond milk?
Yes, we do. It's in aisle 3, with all the dairy and non-dairy milk.
Great, thanks. I'm cooking something new today, so I'm not sure where everything is.
What are you making?
A pasta with vegetables and a lemon olive oil sauce. Simple but tasty, I hope.
Sounds delicious. Do you have everything else you need?
I still need zucchini and cherry tomatoes.
Those are in the produce section, straight ahead to your left.
Got it. And one more question. Where can I find pasta?
Right, pasta is also in aisle 5, near the olive oil. Lots of options there.
Perfect. And do you sell fresh bread?
Yes, our bakery section is in the back near the deli. You'll see fresh bread, croissants, and more.
Great. You've been super helpful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, do you sell reusable shopping bags?
Yes, we have them at the checkout area. Just ask the cashier.
Perfect. I always forget mine at home.
Oh, you're not alone. It happens all the time.
Okay, I think I'm good now. Thanks again.
Enjoy your cooking and have a great day.
You too.
Conversation number 5. At the pharmacy.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you today?
I have a really bad headache. Do you have something for it?
Yes, we have several options. Is it a sharp pain or more like pressure?
It's like pressure right here behind my eyes. I think it's from stress or not sleeping well.
I see. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No allergies.
Okay. I recommend this pain reliever. It's gentle on the stomach and works fast.
Great. How often should I take it?
1 tablet every 6 hours if needed. Don't take more than 4 tablets in 24 hours.
Got it. Can I take it with food?
Yes, it's better with food or after a meal.
Okay, I'll take 1 box, please.
Sure. Anything else you need today?
Actually, yes. My throat feels a bit sore. Do you have something for that?
Yes, we have lozenges and throat spray. Would you like something natural or stronger?
Something natural, please.
These honey and lemon lozenges are very good. You can take 1 every 2 hours.
Perfect. I'll take those 2.
All right. That will be $12.75 in total.
Here you go. Do you accept card?
Yes, we do. You can tap or insert it here. Would you like a bag?
No, thank you. I have my own.
Very good. Here's your receipt and your medicine.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Drink lots of water and try to rest today.
I will. Hopefully this headache goes away soon.
If it doesn't improve in 2 days, you should see a doctor.
Okay, I will. Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Feel better soon.
Conversation number 6. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Table Cafe. Just one today?
Hi. Yes, just me.
Right this way, please. Here's a menu. I'll be back in a minute to take your order.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order, or do you need more time?
I think I'm ready. Can I ask a few questions?
Of course.
What's the soup of the day?
Today we have tomato and basil soup. It comes with bread.
That sounds nice. And what's in the grilled chicken sandwich?
It has grilled chicken, lettuce, tomato, and a light mustard sauce. It comes with fries or salad.
Right. I'll have the chicken sandwich with salad, please.
Great. And would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of water. And do you have fresh juice?
Yes, we have orange, apple, and mango.
I'll have mango juice, please.
Perfect. 1 grilled chicken sandwich with salad, 1 mango juice, and a glass of water. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Here you go. Mango juice and your salad with the sandwich. Enjoy.
Thanks. It looks delicious.
How's everything so far?
Very good, thank you. The salad is fresh and the sandwich is delicious.
I'm glad to hear that. Let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, can I see the dessert menu?
Of course, here it is. We have chocolate cake, fruit salad, and lemon pie today.
I'll have the lemon pie, please.
Excellent choice. I'll bring it right out. Here's your lemon pie. Would you like coffee or tea?
Yes, a cup of black coffee, please.
Coming right up. Did you enjoy your meal?
Everything was wonderful. Can I have the check, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. Do you take cards?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Great. Here's my card.
Thank you. I hope to see you again soon.
Definitely. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you.
And that's it for today's episode. Thanks for joining us today.
We hope these daily life conversations were helpful and fun for you.
If you enjoyed the episode, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
That way, you won't miss any new lessons or conversations we post. Thanks again for listening to the Max and Mia podcast.
See you next time.